Yo, what is good, everybody? Sorry that took so long. Oh, my voice is coming out of my pocket. One sec. Did I catch any trades this AM? Yes, sir. Sure did. Took this. We took that, and then we logged everything out, chat. Because, yeah. As soon as that TP hit, my heart started racing. Nah, for real. The 5 minute long last night was crazy. I caught this one on paper last night. Nuts. Literally such a good play. Bruh.
Excuse me, sorry.
I would have full ported that if I was logged in, but I had been drinking a little bit and have a hard rule not to be near my fundeds while drinking. So we had to pass on that. Still a good play. Chat will never be bearish again. Even though I really like this for a potential setup. Imagine casually smacking a 178 pointer. Wouldn't be the first time we've done it in here, huh, chat?
Yeah, I did.
We do this. We call out screamers before they happen. I don't know what to think, chat. What up, ambitious? How are you? What up, muffin? Same.
Last time we were this high, December.
Loki looks like we might inverse this daily today and try and reach up for this next one. We'll see. Oh my god, you guys. If we get this short, I swear on everything. Like, I'm supposed to be done for the day now, but I am gonna make sure that Amy takes it. Look at this SMT. Bruh.
Holy.
So, we have an SMT with the data high, and low key, if we knife through this, yeesh.
What time frame are you on?
Bro found a loophole. 4 minute. 4 minute, 5 minute, or 3 minute.
I see it.
But it would have to be like I wouldn't want to see this and then us close through. I'd want to see like freaking V shape through it. But if we just like slow grind through it like this and then close below, to me I feel like that would just turn right back around and come up. And ES would take the SMT. But if we actually show some momentum through this, I might be convinced. What up?
$9.43 is a close above the 4 hour.
Okay, seeing this, I don't think this SMT is going to hold very long. But we'll leave it marked for now since it's technically still there.
22,052.
Oh, dude, I have to take a... What trades did I take today? Took this 5 minute last night on paper because it was an absolute heater and I had to. And then took this one. Copy trade. Man, that wicked down hard. Wait a minute. Fire. Nice job. Wait, this 4 minute gap? Okay, this gap is a 3 minute, a 4 minute, a 5 minute, and a 15 minute.
Look how big it is.
That's crazy, dude. I don't know. Like imagine here's what makes this difficult. Let's say we come down and close below on the 4 minute, but the 15 minute holds. That's what I'm scared of. I didn't see that before. I would probably need to see the 15 minute. I don't know. Maybe shorting isn't the move today. Because apparently the fear of world world economic crashing is bullish news. I don't want to mention any names, but he's got a terrible haircut. I don't understand. Like, I really don't get how we're so bullish. It's throwing me off. I don't get it. It must just be for liquidity reasons. But I don't know. One Trump tweet. Dump. Should know by now markets move by FEGs. Yeah, pretty much. Am I taking this? No. It looks good though. I just like, I don't know. I feel like I just keep trying to convince myself to take shorts for some reason, and I feel like I should stop doing that. I feel like I'm like waiting all day to get a short setup. Meanwhile, we're bullish, so all the long setups are playing out. And then I'm like, damn it. And then I gotta wait till 1 o'clock our time because after the market's pumped for 7 hours, we finally decide to have a retrace, and that's when I decide to trade, I guess. So imagine just trading with the trend and making it easier on myself. I'm like out here waiting for a short because I swear we're bearish. Bro, do these candles look bearish? Look at this. Does anything about this look bearish?
No.
Yeah, I got too attached to shorts for a little bit. I had to readjust my brain again to take longs. You guys don't know how many months it took me to start shorting. Trust.
I finally got you there.
It
It was December, do you remember?
Yeah, it took me 5 months into my trading career to want to short. And then I finally started shorting because we were actually bearish, and then I loved it. And now I keep wanting to wait for it, but we're bullish again, and I need to get over it. Instead of letting the shorts play out and taking longs, I've been like doing the opposite. It makes no sense. This. I think if we get this inverse on ES2 right here, that will pump to break the SMT, or at least take out these highs. But this already triggered. But it's like, imagine longing right now.
I don't know.
You want to?
I think we're still going higher.
What you finna long? You gotta. I don't know. I need a retrace or something.
Yeah. I didn't say I was gonna do it right now. I'm just.
Oh, you're just saying in general.
Yeah.
You're like.
I'm still bullish.
Bullish, and I hate it. See how this. Sometimes on these plays, it's good to check what ES is doing too, because see how this triggered on NQ, but it never closed above on ES, and now it's failing. I feel like I've seen that happen a lot.
Oh, it is the afternoon before NFP,
So it could get
we
choppy.
we could just be done for now.
Trump's going China at some point. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Any minute now, China. And we're just gonna get a big old yoink candle like that. Dang, Chad, it's like a dungeon in here right now. I got the window things shut. Got the hood on. Sunlight. Get away from me. Chat, there's no way I just opened Tradeovate again, right? I had a paper banger last night and then a good trade today already. And I think I'm starting to like feel myself and get overconfident. And I'm starting to get greedy.
Don't do it.
That's not good. Listen, I'm just trying to share these real in-time thoughts with you guys because I'm just being real. I will never try and sit here every day and act like I'm like not still a noob, dude. I'm feeling it. I'm feeling confident and I need to just let it go because I'm done for the day. Baby, tell me I'm done for the day.
DTFD.
Hey, see now this momentum is a lot better. If ES closes above this, we'll probably come take out these, but nobody cares about ES, so. Whoa, I told you.
Sheesh.
I told you. So I wonder if this will keep ripping to the data high or not, or if on ES. Yeah, because ES never took it.
I didn't know that.
We have an SMT with the data high. Yeah. So I know we just pumped right here, but we still have this SMT, so I'm gonna keep that in my sights still. Don't tell me. Don't tell me this man drops 4 million on bail and then gets out and is gonna put an album out now. I hate him, but I love him.
I hate him, but I love his music.
I hate him, but I love his music. That's what he does. Bro goes and makes bad decisions and then just lets it all out in his music, and we all get to benefit from that. Cool. Thanks, bro.
Such a slime bag, though.
He definitely seems to be one of the most impulsive people I've seen. Chat? Bro, why am I still over here drawing out short setups? What is wrong with me? Like, just let it go, dude. Just let it go. This does look good, though. I can't lie. And now it doesn't. If we get it, I'm taking it with 30 minis on demo. Yep. Chat. I don't know. Part of me does not want to be near my computer anymore right now. You guys, sometimes I need to cool it. Right now, it's one of those times. Look how uncorrelated this is. Clearly have opposite color candles going. Like, okay. For sure. $497 subs?
Crush, guys.
Oh. 497 subs? We're so close.
Hi, this is Amy. How are you?
Chat? Are we gonna paper this, chat? Bro, hell no, we're not gonna paper this. Look at what these indices are doing. Why would you take this? Big mistake. You're in on demo? Get it? I will pray for you. I think that... We'll see. Bro said we should go down a bit, hopefully. Those are his confluences for hopping in right there. Because it should go down a bit, hopefully. I like it. Nuts, dude. You imagine how hyped you'd be if you just happened to like be in this long. And then just got that giant ass bump candle. Bro. Charlie Brown. Don't worry about it. We'll see. Oops.
Gosh, it's all set. Can you hand me my coffee, please?
Yes, I can.
Oh, sorry.
Wait, I just realized my camera's gone. What just happened? Chat, what's going
I'll
on?
be back in a few.
Okay. Why is it huge? Sorry about that, chat. I don't honestly know what happened, but here we are. Munchie's short is about to start working. Yeah, exactly. That's why I was saying you'd probably want to wait for this. Should we experiment getting in on NQ when we get the inverse on ES? Like if this triggers, should we just get in on NQ? Forward test. Hmm. 1 minute till this 4-minute closes. I know that 1 minute was good. Well, it ended up being good, I guess. No inverse there. $15-minute. Yeah. It's all the same gap. Now ES is looking stronger between the two, other than the SMT. Yeah, to go higher. Manipulation leg to go higher, maybe. Like, I don't like how we're about to inverse this, but ES is way up here still. Try this on the Leap account. Probably go break even here. Definitely want to see us just knife through this. I know. It's fine, honestly. I have no confidence in taking shorts right now, but we tried it for the stream. Plus, I'm trying to just not. Dude, it's so hard not to trade right now. I want to keep trading. almost break even. This is definitely a good candle to see. All right, so we'll go break even there. So on an if I was actually in this for real, I definitely would not like I'd want to be fully out right here. But for the leap account, I'm gonna try and just hold this for high R. So if you did take this, I'd definitely be break even. I'd definitely have scaled by now. So see why I was saying definitely scale at least. Yeah, for sure. I mean, I was looking at that 1 minute too, and I was like, this looks good. But then I was like, it doesn't look that good. But apparently it was. If we're gonna actually be bearish, I don't want this to come back to my entry. But if it does, then I think we want to break this SMT today. Come on, NQ. No. Take off the magnet. We got a bullish SMT here at the bottom with the low that I was saying to target. Rip. That's another thing to pay attention to as well. If you're going to target like a swing low or swing high, make sure you're watching ES to see if ES takes it first or not. How much RR? None now. We paper break even. Wait. Imagine. Wait. Chat. Look how close this was. So dumb. That actually happened to me on the trade I took earlier. It almost break even me and kept going. It's like, bet. the hell? Dude, bro, I'm so automatic to go to TradingView and when I grab my phone that I'm sitting here on the charts and I open TradingView on my phone when I picked it up. That's bad. Ooh. Yeesh. This TP down here is bold, bro. That's crazy. 690. Okay, dude. For sure. Even the TP being right here was too bold, apparently. Boom, clap, boom, clap, boom, clap. Someone sent me a masterclass for YouTube. Appreciate that. Because I don't know what I'm doing. I just I just stream and post vids on it, but I don't know how to use it. I open up the YouTube Studio website and I'm like, whoa. There's like analytics. What do I do with this? Losing a lot of confidence in this short here. We back? Question mark. TP1 got edged by 7 points. Love to see it. Good old NQ. She be toxic lately during NY for sure. Buyers see opportunity as mortgage rates fall for the first time in 5 weeks. Bye. Just kidding. I'm not locked in right now, chat. My brain is everywhere. Damn. There go that break even. I felt like I saw that coming, to be honest. Relatable. Apparently, in the last month, on these pundits, I've longed one time and I've shorted 30 times. Bro, do you guys see what Price has been doing the last 3 weeks? Why am I shorting all of this? I don't understand. Uh, and the one long trade was today. What the heck? That can't be right, dude. Oh yeah, Baker City? Oh man, I know so many people from Baker City. I better answer this. Meanwhile, it's all potential spam. Bro, these scammers are wild. Honestly, as soon as we came down this close to this low and like wicked and then did that, it was all bad. Mm, dude, Ancestry.com just sent me a 60% off deal for a DNA kit for Father's Day. Should we find out how Portuguese I am, chat? You can't tell me nobody in here has ever not been curious to do that. Come on.
My brother did it, so I don't have to.
Yeah, but you're lying to me. If anyone in here is trying to tell me they never thought about that, you're lying. No way this gets us break even and then goes down more, bro. Tubular. Chat, I'm speechless. My brain's going crazy and I'm having a hard time focusing. So I'm sorry about that. I'm not ashamed to admit I have problems, okay? Sometimes it's tough. Okay, I actually like this to accelerate down to here now. We'll see. Bro, that's the straightest line ever drawn. Everyone, screenshot this and save it somewhere. You've never ever seen a line drawn this straight. You know, especially with all the curves. that stop out at break even was pretty evil. Can't lie. It happens. Toxic chat. That's crazy.
He must have said China.
NASDAQ wants me to throw my chair out of my window. guys? I'm sorry I'm being so quiet. I'm not gonna lie. My brain is all over the place, and I'm like borderline fiending so bad I almost just broke my rules. And like, yeah. I just, I don't know why I still have tabs open. Everything should be closed. But I'm being a dingleberry, even considering trading more. So I was a little thrown off there for a second, but I'm back. I'm sorry. I finally just snapped out of it. You know when you guys just get in that trance? When you're just like thinking about trading so much and you're just like kind of just zoned out thinking about it. Yeah. So, sorry about that. This should definitely run these lows though, there's no way. Yeah, well the thing is I already took a trade, so I don't even know why I'm fiending so bad. I think literally the problem is I've taken like 3 bangers since last night and now I'm like just wanting to do too much. Get that overconfidence. This might run to this.
640.
Yeah.
635.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see.
But I'm back. We can talk. I'm sorry. I don't know what was happening to me right there, but I was like, greed was really starting to take over. And I was like, dude, I know what's gonna happen. I know what's gonna happen. I can just make more and make more, but that's not the plan, bro. That's not the plan. Stick to the plan. My plan is done. Like, I don't know why I'm even looking. I'm done. Replicanto, close. New Ninja Trader, close. Tradeovate, close. Don't do it to yourself, you guys. If you know you're feeling some type of way, just don't do anything. Just walk away. The only way we don't run to that low is if for some reason ES already took it. Oh, that low has been taken by ES for a minute now. I see. Hop on Rocket League. She. That might be a good idea, actually. Amy started laughing because she knew I was going to like that.
Yep.
Dang. Chat? Do we have a more recent SMT? Yes, we do. So, ES is literally just dropping in this LRLR right here. I would not expect this to go back up. I feel like that we're going to go down. And there's SMTs all over the place. I don't normally trade lunch since I missed my AM entry. Should I just get off or try to get a setup to these lows? I mean, there's definitely still opportunity today. It's only 1 o'clock. So PM session has not even started yet, and PM session is what I usually trade anyway. So I'm sure you can catch something. But don't just take something because you feel like you missed a trade. That doesn't mean just go find something now. Like wait for something good still. Oh my gosh, you guys. You literally just sat here and witnessed me live staring at the screen with my mouse hovering over the hovering over the market button just like this. Finally had a mental wake up. Bro, snap out of it. Please.
I
done.
see.
Is there news?
Trump is disappointed with Musk's attacks on budget bill.
Oh god.
And that's exactly when the dump started happening.
See, this is what it is, you guys. If you are trading New York session, you are likely trading against or with Trump news or Trump something. Like Loki, I feel like that's why later Asia or early London has been way better. Wanna know why? Because bro is asleep and can't be awake saying anything stupid. So price action is cleaner because there's no fiascos going on. But as soon as bro wakes up and gets on his phone for the day, the market's like go back to sleep, bro, please. We're trying to trade out here. All right. This is my target for the day, for the remainder of the day is 640. After that, I have no targets. I highly doubt we would come down. Like, look at all this price action, right? See how we got all this and all this, right? And then we've come up and we've wrecked buy side really, really bad. I highly doubt that if we come down and take this low, we're just going to be like, okay, see ya, and come back up to break to break this SMT. Like, there's no way. And if that were to happen, then I don't know. Somebody's behind the market with a joystick like this. Whee! This is fun, you guys. Everyone's getting stopped out. It's crazy. This 15-second? What? A short? I feel like if you're staring at the 15-second to try and get a play, you're anxious. It is a good gap, though, honestly. You 1000% are. Yeah. I feel like you're definitely trying to force something. But hey, if you're confident, don't let me tell you what to do, dude, because then you'll be like, oh, I should have took that. But also, don't do something you don't feel comfortable doing. It didn't even... Oh. The entry's there. If you got in, I hope it works for you. I think it could, honestly. I've never really looked at the 15-second that much, so that's interesting. Bro, it didn't close on Top Step. Holy FOMO. Dude, you can't chart on Top Step, bro. If you have to execute on Top Step, it's fine, but you can't chart on it. Trust. It does. The candles don't print right. It's literally they don't print right. So I low key like this better. If we're not gonna take this low, then it's possible we get a little manipulation move. So now we have like a little bullish SMT here, but I feel like there's no way we don't want this low. Okay, especially after seeing that candle. That's funny.
I gotta be done.
Are you doing what I'm trying to do?
Yeah, and yeah, I gotta be done.
Fiendin'?
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Yeah.
Nope. I'm not gonna hide my love. Beal said, "Why are we all itching for this right now?" Something in the air.
So bad.
That's funny. Dude, it's probably because this month has been tough. Everyone's like just ready for that redemption trade to feel better. I might try this on this Leap account if we get it. Ooh, that would be sick. I'm gonna try this on the Leap account. Big trip in a few weeks and trying to get a payout. Oh, dude. Yeah, you can't be thinking that way, bro. That's gonna mess you up, dude. This new email from Elite Trader Funding is kind of interesting. Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, that doesn't look very, I don't know. Place scratch trades or scale down your contract sizes without limitations. Say bye to higher time frame restrictions. DCA restriction removed. Martingale restriction removed. No more payout denials due to the list of rules above. All existing and new Elite Sim funded accounts will benefit from needing only 8 active trade days instead of 10. You will now keep 100% of your Elite Sim funded profit. Fire. Payouts will be approved daily and will no longer take days. Well, another thing too, guys. I'm not saying anybody's doing this, but for some reason I just had this thought because I've done it before, but Make sure to never compare your trade day to somebody else's. Like, always make sure you're just focused on doing your own thing, because what somebody else does has nothing to do with you. And yeah, just stay focused on your journey. Don't worry about what other people do. I do not like this close, but we'll try it. Got a bullish SMT. I don't know if we're delivering. Oh. Oh. Chat. I feel like the other day during stream, I remember saying that this BPR was going to be really hard to break. Was anybody here for that? I almost guarantee I said that. So this BPR is going to be really hard to break. Sure enough. That's crazy. This is actually another banger, you guys. Jeez, what the heck? Chat. Why did I do that? So now, see this? See how we have this SMT at this high? Sometimes you could use that as a reason to exit your trade. Like, because if I'm targeting this high and ES takes it before NQ, we don't know if that's going to give us a bearish response or not. Bruh. Bang. Just like that. GG. The 2025 one? No. All right, guys. I want to get away from the charts, honestly. So I think I'm going to end stream right there. Coming up on 2 hours soon anyway, so yeah. Appreciate you guys for being here as usual, and I will see you next time. See you in the morning.